Bye. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Love you.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh. Checking in. Get out of the way! Women and children! We made it. How's it doing it?
I'm just gonna film myself.
Weirdos right now.
Right?
And everyone's like,
Oh my gosh, we are a diverse crowd too. Look at us.
right?
Yeah, we really are.
Just causing traffic in the middle of nowhere. But hey, that's how we do.
So we made it, and like everyone was just hanging out like in the lobby area. It was cool. We're gonna go rob the casino. So yeah, we're gonna do that tonight. I'll see you in the morning.
I have to go register. Now, I guess most people on like racing days probably would have like got to bed early, maybe ate some broccoli. We stood out to 4 rolling dice. This is fun. This is gonna be a fun day. All right, let's do some B-roll.
It's gonna be me. Here's me. Oh, that's terrible lighting. This place is crazy. Looks like we're at the point where everyone's like starting to race. We still haven't seen the track. Just kind of waiting to see the track. First boo-boo. I have Spectrum. Apparently you can't have Spectrum here, so I have to fly a whole new control. I've never flown Tyrannus. I've always kind of wanted one, so alright. I guess this is kind of the end of my Spectrum radio. I really shouldn't be using it anyways, but I can't use it in the race. There's like a turn at the end. It's rough, dude. But alright, I got 34 practice round. 34 like on the leaderboard or whatever. It's just practice. But yeah, we'll see. Hopefully I can get it. But I just want to get top 24. Top 24 and then we'll work on it from there. This place is awesome. Yeah. Alright, see you in a bit. Wish me luck. Alright, so just got done with the first round. It was such a cluster. I went to the wrong pod. I grabbed the wrong controller. I got yelled at. They told me to just kick them. It was bad. I got one more chance though. We'll see how I go. Clint and I are just chilling here watching this. It's crazy, man. Crazy. These guys are so fast.
That's spun him off to the side. Fight. Heat 6. Slug Guy Kyle. See, orange stuff. Old Fluxy. Slug Guy Kyle. And there you have it, folks. That's it. Little Fluxy clinches it with 51 points. Third placer.
So that guy won 75 grand.
Yeah, so I think even though
I think collectively I've lost about $100 gambling here.
we've got cash for
bad.
on the line for second.
I don't know. Well, that was that. Yo, where were you at?
I was in there.
You didn't I didn't see you in the top 50.
What? I already won that, bro. I won it left. What up?
guys.
Guys, so many beautiful things are happening right now. The Bellagio, the Earth is flat, and then not only that, we got freaking Mickey Mouse. Like, what's up?
Well, the DRL thing was awesome. We just got back from, you know, doing the whole Vegas thing. Tomorrow, I'm gonna do Rock-A-Hoola. I rented a car on that Turo thing, but the chick has never responded to me, so I don't know if we have a car tomorrow. Maybe, but if not, we'll figure something out. But tomorrow, we're definitely gonna fly, like real drones. So, all right, guys. Flash forward to tomorrow.
Alright guys, this is our whip for the day. You guys ready to feel it? I need a faster car. 'Cause I normally drive a Prius. This is so much better.
What up, guys?
Look at all these cameras.
It's funny. I saw you guys' the hoodies, and I was like, those might be droners because it looks like the Newbeedrone logo.
As you can see, these aren't the most optimal conditions to fly quadcopters. So I'm kind of bummed. I've always wanted to come here. This is the Lake Dolores Rock-A-Hoola water party. There's a band. Looks great. Actually, it looks really cool right now, but unfortunately, it's windy and rainy. midnight. We got to drive back to Vegas, drop our car off, and do that whole spiel. But that was fun. I got to do a couple packs. Not bad. It's super windy and it wasn't ideal, but whatever. Whatever. Oh, while we were here, the freaking Newbeedrone squad was just chilling. They were just chilling, walking around in their black Newbeedrone hoodies, looking all suspect. I'm like, yo, who are these guys? And he goes, yo! But yeah, no, it was tight. It was super cool. Our plane leaves in 2 hours. Got the tacos. It's a good day. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Yeah,
These guys just told me a gnarly story.
yeah.
Worst drone
This
recovery
happened last
ever.
night. It's the curse of
worst.
the Luxor.
Yeah.
It's the curse of the Luxor.
Yeah, if you haven't checked out the Curse of the Luxor, man, you got to.
Oh my god. Alright, we're gonna zoom in. Look at him. Oh, dude, I was talking to that guy earlier.
Yeah, ride 951.
Yeah, it's
There it is. Oh, thank you.
Alright, thanks.
Have a good one.